Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to collect or claim your Please Donate Robux. So someone donated you from Robux on Please Donate on this platform, and I'm gonna teach you how to collect it, okay? So the first thing you wanna do is of course open Roblox and go to this universe that says Please Donate. And once you're here, simply just walk around a little bit and then hover your mouse on this gear icon right here that says settings. Once you're here, make sure you turn off your music first. Okay, make sure this is on donation effect so you'll know that if someone donated, you'll hear it out. Next time, it's gonna be this little GIF icon right there. Make sure that offline donations are good, and then just hover your mouse a little bit on this box icon next to the X icon right there. That being said, if you click on that one, it says showing 0 gifts because no one donated on me yet. However, if you have someone donating on you and just waiting for you to check it out, you can check it out on that GIF icon right there. Now, next one, you can check it. Let me just close Roblox really quickly. On the Roblox website itself, for example, we're gonna go to the landing page right here and then hover your mouse on this Roblox icon. And then see transactions, and you'll see over here incoming Robux. You'll see pending gift. It says pending gift Robux in your end right there if you're expecting a Robux on your end, okay? And that's how you claim Robux or Please Donate. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.